See people, and that's how with the people. I give me drive and give me money people. So when I go rob a little small money from the emperor, and then I go talk about the emperor take computer and take things from money and come with one bag of gun. So why Maroon celebration only come with so much gun? And the emperor only come for? Greetings. Me there, man. Me talk about how the man come joke me down with gun and take away my phone and the poor people the money what me that forgive me. Yeah, man. I may talk about man, but me talk about and they tell the people say when they come from the Maroon documents to get to the goose ring, get to the read up, yes, and because they're coming for you people and save the land. Come get to the land on the Maroon government land ownership. Even the Prime Minister of Jamaica need this because they may use him, but they might get rid of him after them don't use him. Remember, I'm a Freemason before him, so I know everything. Yeah, me alright, man. The Almighty God there, man. But me don't know from man, me ring them about me. So I know the sizzler them and the friend them a plan something. But we already know, sir. We already know, sir. Andrew Wallace and Andrew Wallace them a work for, and them a work for the dragon them. So everybody knows, sir. And the sizzler them trying not from me by them one. Because that's so the slave master say the slave master always use our own people them. Thank you, my lord. Because when you come rob a man like the emperor now, and you draw a card say the emperor rob you. Wish I you see me walk a rob people. Where you see me walk a thief laptop. See it a 100 laptop who buy the other day. Come down here. I'm gonna give a laptop like to pay graduates. Cause we'll a graduation time now. Me can't call much people on the phone right now. And give a laptop. Me not even use them. Pay a computer. So me just so me not feel away about the robbery now. I just who rob me feel away for know say people who me check for rob me. A people who me check for come pop off gun for me. But you see, Bob Marley said it, they said that Bob Marley started playing music already, you know. They said they want to go close to you and they want to hurt you. And they know your secrets and know everything about you. So you can just mind the one that were near you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, can remember I know. You just have to keep in mind that. Nobody can say the emperor no money in a war. So them can't say, oh, I'm a, no. Me and every police good. Me and every politician good. Me and every man good. Right. You understand? And give me me alone walk by myself, drive by myself. Say, if we did a war, I want a security company. I'm still drive none of my security them. I'm one a security company. Google it. Maroon Sovereign Security. Armed security, all kind of security. So, when I work, I make the police them work for me. Make them do them job. Come remember, you know. You know, I know it's never tell you something. Never tell you something, you know, my virgin. You see, the biggest enemy is ourselves. We are our biggest enemy, you know. They're not people, we are our worst enemy. Oh, we are our worst enemy. You know this. You never see a Chinaman try to kill a Chinaman. You never see a Chinaman try to rob a Chinaman. You never see a Jew try to rob a Jew. My God, Dubai, my lad. And down there, so Benz, Beamer, Bugatti, they're on the roadside and nobody can look at it. We don't stick together as black people because, alright, you see which part me I'm calling from now? Me I'm calling from America, you know? Yes. Right? And you see where I'm going down here, so you see what Trump I do right now? Trump get rid of the TPS, you know? You know what the TPS stands for? Tell me. Temporary protected status. Thank you. That means him can report anybody who he wants. Right now, him not trying to get rid of all of the Asian them, the Syrian them, and then you know who next now? Them are going to try to go to Jamaica and them were down there. But that's why now. Everybody will come to the Caribbean. Well, man. That is why me tell you say, get un American maroon Nyankepong tribal nation territory documents and you people cannot get no deport. Yeah. I wanna feel for lear me. Yeah. I pay rich people get it now in America. I only people want me check for not getting it because it all know you don't have none.